Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how to hide best friends on Snapchat. So first of all, what you have to do is go to your Snapchat application, and at the top left corner you can see a profile icon. Simply tap on it, and what you have to do is scroll down a little bit and you can see my friends option. Simply tap on my friends, and as you can see there are not much friends in my contact, but if you have a best friend then it will show you here. Now let's just assume that this is my best friend. I will simply tap and hold this account and you will see this settings option. Now all you have to do is tap on manage friendships option. Simply tap on manage friendship and simply tap on block. Now what you have to do is tap on block. Now what you have to do lastly is simply minimize all of these and go to your profile once again at the top left. Now go to the gear icon at the top right corner of the screen, scroll at the last and you can see an option that is called blocked. Simply tap on blocked and this contact will be shown here. Simply unblock them and the friendship will be, the best friends will be removed, but you will still have the contact, and you can send snaps as well. Another person will not know how that you have blocked and unblocked them. So there you have it. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials. Comment down your thoughts, and until then, goodbye.